Hey everyone, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. We got a double must-have, a double dose of cuteness, because I have to tell you, practical, cute, and adding a little bit of that holiday flair we love so much. So what am I holding in my hand? Easy to store, which I love, but look at this. It is one of our neoprene heat-resistant runners, and I love the fact that we have all of the characters. It's available in our Whimsy, and look how sweet. So first of all, we have the vintage light bulbs that run around. We have Penny, our penguin. She's got her sweet little old world hat and scarves and mittens on, and then we have Gumdrop, our adorable gingerbread, and our elf, Elf Bertie, and Mr. Snow Jingles, our sweet little snowman, Wimbly, our reindeer. Notice the cardinals flying around that I do in honor of my dad, and we even have the big man. Making an appearance, we have Santa Claus, which is so cute. But here's what I love about this. First of all, it protects your table. Second of all, it's super duper cute. And I love the fact that if you're bringing something hot out of the oven, what I love is that you can lay this down the center of your table and then up to 300 degrees, which let's face it, most pieces that we're bringing to the oven are going to be about that, or bringing to the table are going to be about that temperature. So I love the fact that I can come right out with my hot dish. This is a beautiful cobbler. And of course, not have to worry about my hardwoods or my linens, and I can get in there. If I spill something on here, I'm just gonna go ahead and spot clean it. So couldn't be easier. So this is something so unique and so special. If you've seen those neoprene carriers, it's got that beautiful kind of rubber backing that protects your table and also resists the heat from going through to any of your fine linens or even your hardwood tables. And then we did talk about a double dose of our sweet must-haves. Look at this napkin holder. I am so in love with this. I love the fact that the elf is making his appearance. We lined the bottom with the C9 bulbs and the sweet little cardinals. And then look, even their backside, they are there ready to roll. So I love the fact again that you can go ahead and drop your napkins right inside here, and then everybody can help themselves. I'm just gonna put this down because I wanna show you how it coordinates back with, of course, that sweet trivet. So you can pick up both of these. This is why we made it a double must-have, and we got the gang all here. Is this not the cutest thing ever? Love. All right, you guys, that's why we made both of these a must-have. Where can you find them? Head on over to temp-tations.com and check it out. But I will let you know, we did not bring in a ton of these. What we have for the holiday season is all that we have. So if you're thinking about a great gift to me from me, I'd get it today.